Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Starting Your Very Own Garden. Get ready to turn that green thumb dream into reality. Starting a garden can seem overwhelming, but we'll break it down into simple, manageable steps. Let's get growing. The first step is selecting the perfect location for your garden. This is crucial for your plant's success. Most vegetables and herbs need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Observe your yard throughout the day to find the best sunny spot. Ensure your chosen spot is easily accessible for watering, whether by hose, watering can, or nearby spigot. This will save you time and effort. Next, let's move on to planning what you'll grow and how you'll lay out your garden space. Start with easy-to-grow plants like lettuce, carrots, or basil. This builds confidence and provides quick rewards. For your first garden, starting small is advisable. A simple layout with clear pathways ensures you can reach everything easily without stepping on the soil. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. Now we focus on preparing the perfect growing medium. Consider a simple soil test to understand your soil's pH and nutrient levels. This informs you of any necessary amendments. Incorporate organic matter like compost to improve soil structure, drainage, and nutrient retention. This step is a game changer. You can plant directly in the ground or consider raised beds. Raised beds offer better drainage and soil control, perfect for beginners. With your site prepared, it's time for the most exciting part, planting your seeds or seedlings. Follow the instructions on your seed packets for proper spacing and depth. Giving plants enough room prevents overcrowding and disease. Your garden needs consistent care. Let's talk about watering and basic maintenance. Water deeply and less frequently to encourage deep root growth. Water the soil directly, not the leaves, to minimize fungal issues. Weeds compete with your plants for nutrients and water. Regularly remove weeds by hand or use mulch to suppress them. That's it for the basics. With these steps, you're well on your way to a beautiful and bountiful garden. Happy gardening!